Tau Day is celebrated on June 28th. Once we know the story of this mathematical constant, we never look at a circle the same way again. Many people are aware that pi is the ratio of the circumference of any circle to the diameter of the circle, but there is a growing movement in favor of a new ratio taking its place, tau. Tau is considered more accurate than pi, despite pi's popularity. What's even more interesting is a rumored conspiracy that the powers that be are holding steadfast to the concept of pi. History of Tau Day. The first known use of tau was approximated by Archimedes in the 3rd century. He was born in the Greek city-state of Syracuse on the island of Sicily. Archimedes was known as one of the greatest scientists of the classical age, who, among many other things, calculated pi to the most precise value known. Pi is defined as the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter as is tau, but some believe that Archimedes' work would have been all the better if he had relied more on tau than pi. During the 18th century, Leonhard Euler used the Greek letter pi to represent the ratio of pi itself, and for many years it has remained as the quintessential constant circle. This helped people understand circles, triangles, and other principles of geometry. It was a useful device that served its purpose well, but a new voice would define it as inelegant a couple of centuries later. The Tau movement was founded by the former University of Utah math professor Robert Paulet, who believed that tau simplified the math. Paulet noticed that something was off with pi when calculating the sign of pi/2, and the image he saw didn't add up to the calculations. From this, he knew that pi wasn't the way. Paulet published his findings in a 2001 article titled "Pi is Wrong" in the Mathematical Intelligencer. He noted that Euler went back and forth between tau and pi, but pi became the accepted constant. Paulet then proposed tau was superior, and he used the pi symbol with an extra leg to represent it, and it eventually became an uppercase T. On June 28, 2010, the Tau Manifesto launched at the same time as the first Tau Day. The Tau Manifesto was a book written by Michael Hart that was dedicated to the lesser-known number. In it, pi is referred to as unnatural and confusing. Pi compares a circle's circumference with its diameter, and many mathematicians are disinterested in this quantity, whereas tau is the number that connects a circumference to that quantity. The day is used to celebrate all of mathematics.